Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have got a beautiful 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible right here. Good, clean, solid car, and it's in lipstick red. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read the information, look at all the pictures top to bottom, and that's where you find a price tag on every car along with the monthly finance payment as well if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Okay, so underneath the car appears to be very respectable. Good, solid floors. They've got the original undercoat on them. The frame is smooth. It's not scaly or pitted. Nice, clean, black frame. And it looks like it was maintained as needed. For example, up front, the ball joints look like they've been replaced. The shocks have all been replaced. The sway bar end link bushings have been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's super nice and clean. The fuel pump looks clean. It's the Cruise-O-Matic transmission, that's real clean. The drive shaft, even the front of the rear end section, that looks very clean, like those parts have been out and apart or rebuilt at some point. It's got a nice dual exhaust system with glass pack mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. Should have some nice exhaust tips, so it's got some old chrome tips there. The e-brake assembly's hooked up. This car has been through our shop. It's been serviced. Excellent driving car. This one really runs and drives and cruises beautifully. Now let's check out the body. Standing here, it's magnificent. This door lines up square and flush. It's absolutely straight. I mean, these gaps are really nice, smooth, straight. I mean, it's really exceptional. I really like what I'm seeing. This all lines up wonderfully. I don't see any issues with the body. All nice and clean and straight and fits real good. This side of the car is just as nice as the other side. No bubbles, no rust, no damage, no dents. It's all real nice. Got the nice fender tips here, the little wings. Trunk is looking really good. So the paint is beautiful, red, smooth, glossy. It does have a little bit of dust, a little bit of texture. 99 out of 100 people are going to say it's gorgeous, it's show quality. One more wet sand could make it really pristine. This corner of the trunk does stick up a little bit. It does push down, so maybe that's adjustable, I'm not sure, but this does stick up a little bit. It fits nice and square. This side's looking real good, no issues. I don't see any flaws in the paint. Like I said, it's got a slight texture to it, but absolutely gorgeous. I don't see nicks or chips. There is a little nick on the edge of the hood right here, a small one. Now let's look at the trim. It's got dual mirrors up on the fenders here. They look really nice. I'm sure they've been replaced. This is original chrome. There is a little bit of pitting right here. Door handles probably been replaced. Chrome trim under the boot looks like it's pretty new. The stainless moldings, and then this gold insert here. This all looks like it's been replaced. It's beautiful. Front end of the car, the bumper guards look new. The silver is repainted. The grille looks like it's original. It's nice and straight and shiny, but it has some imperfections. The trim on this side is just as nice as the other side. It also has the optional rocker trim with the stone shield along the bottom, and that's nice and clean and straight. It has a really nice convertible top. It's a white power top. And then you probably notice the rear mount antenna. That is a factory option, right smack in the middle of the trunk there. That is an option. Has the original 1957 style hubcaps. This one's got a little dent right here, but overall they're shiny. The tires are almost brand new. They were replaced within the year, the tires. Back bumper, nice and shiny. Tail lights are real good. This whole medallion here and the lock looks like it's replaced. Service Motors is the name of the tag on there. Emblem looks new. So why don't we open it up? I'll give you a tour of the inside. Let's see what it looks like inside the trunk. I almost like the creaky springs. Anyway, under the trunk lid, you can see it's painted real nice, red. It has the black inserts. The jamb is nice. There is a chip in the paint right here. Now the trunk compartment is also real nice, clean metal, painted red. We've got the nice mat and the filler panels. The well liner's been replaced. It does have a spare and a jack assembly. And you notice there are some fender skirts. This one's beat up. I'm going to guess it maybe fell off while they were driving and skidded down the road to be beat up like that. But those do fit on the car. That would need to be painted. Weather stripper on the trunk lid looks new. Door jambs are real nice, clean metal, painted red. The rubber's good. The sill plates look new. Door panels in excellent shape. Reproduction door panels. Is a silver foil trim. This is an optional padded dash. Normally they were just metal. And all this looks to be very good original condition. It's not new, but it's not cut or broke or beat up either. It looks real good. It does have a stereo that fits right in the factory hole. Oh my God, the clock is ticking. Glove box liner looks good. That's neat and tidy. And the welting around the door jamb and the kick panels and the carpet looks good. It does have some embroidered floor mats. Steering wheel's in real nice shape. The seats feel good. They might have been seats might have been re-cushioned because they're nice and firm. The upholstery's in very nice shape. Back it looks really nice. The side panels, the armrest, all of it looks really good. There's a spot on the seat there. I started cleaning it. It is coming off, so remind the salesman to have the detailers get that cleaned up. The visors have been replaced. More squeaky hinges. All right, so under here we have a treat. It's a 312 Thunderbird Special, 245 horsepower. It's a 4-barrel carb, and it also features power steering, which is right here, and power brakes, and that looks like an upgraded power brake. It's also an upgraded electric wiper motor. I'll show you something that is original, the washer fluid bag. People find that so cool that it's in a bag. And overall, the motor compartment is clean. You know, the air cleaner, painted nice. The chrome valve cover has the original Thunderbird Special sticker. Battery is secured, has a disconnect switch. So nice motor compartment. Under the hood's painted red, nice and glossy. So I did just check my notes. These seats were completely rebuilt. They were taken under the bare springs and frames and sandblasted and painted and recushioned. That's why the seats feel so good. I noticed the interior light is working, and the motor has been completely rebuilt. It's been bored, the heads were rebuilt. The electric wipers, again, that's an upgrade. power steering, power brakes. This is just a wonderful cruiser. It's just a really nice driving car. I did personally drive it. It's an exceptional car. Fits beautifully, the paint's beautiful, it's a head turner, and it's one you can use, really. You want to go somewhere, get in there, hit the key, and go. And right now you can go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions. They can get this delivered to your door, and they can help you finance it at volocars.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.